Adobe Creative Cloud, Jasper AI, Canva Pro, Grammarly, Notion AI. If you subscribe to everything people recommend for content creation, you're spending $400 to $600 a month. There are free AI alternatives for almost every one of them. I switched 6 months ago. My quality didn't drop. My costs did, to nearly zero. This video covers the exact free tools I'm using and which paid subscriptions they replace. Software companies know that once your workflow is built around their tool, switching feels painful, so they raise prices annually. Add paywalls to features that used to be free. Lock your data in proprietary formats. The switching cost is psychological more than practical. Most free alternatives are 90% as good for 90% of use cases. You're paying for the last 10% of polish you probably don't need. Adobe charges $60 a month for Creative Cloud. Most people use it for basic image editing and graphics. Canva Free does this for $0. Every template, resize tool, and basic editing feature you need for YouTube thumbnails, social posts, and presentations is free. Adobe Express, also free, handles quick edits and resizes. If you need AI image generation, Ideogram is free with daily limits. For 90% of content creators, this stack replaces Photoshop entirely. Jasper charges $99 a month to write marketing copy. It runs on GPT-4 under the hood. You can access the same model directly through ChatGPT's free tier. Claude's free tier handles long-form writing. Both give you the same output quality Jasper does, without the markup. Jasper adds workflow templates on top, which sounds useful until you realize you can create those same templates as saved prompts in ChatGPT for free. Save $99 a month, use the originals. Grammarly Premium costs $30 a month for advanced grammar suggestions. LanguageTool Free catches most grammar errors and runs directly in your browser. Hemingway Editor Free grades readability and flags passive voice and complex sentences. Combined, they cover 85% of what Grammarly Premium does. The only thing you lose is Grammarly's tone detector. Worth $30? Probably not. Descript's text-based video editing is genuinely useful, but $24 a month adds up. CapCut's free tier handles most editing needs: auto captions, background removal, basic cuts. For audio cleanup specifically, Adobe Podcast Enhance is completely free. You upload your audio, AI removes background noise and levels it. Quality rivals anything paid. Use CapCut plus Adobe Podcast Enhance and cover 80% of what Descript does. Notion AI adds AI writing assistance inside Notion for $16 a month on top of the base plan. You don't need it. Open ChatGPT in one tab. Write in Notion in another tab. Copy and paste takes 5 seconds. The integration is a convenience fee, not a necessity. Notion's free tier already handles notes, project management, and databases. ChatGPT handles the AI layer, $0 total. Midjourney's quality is still top tier, but $10 a month for a tool with limited usage isn't necessary if you're generating a few images a week. Ideogram Free gives you 10 generations daily, enough for YouTube thumbnails and social posts. Microsoft Designer is free with no daily cap if you have a Microsoft account. Quality isn't identical to Midjourney, but for most use cases, it's more than adequate. Here's the full free stack. Canva Free for graphic design and thumbnails. Adobe Express for quick resizes and edits. Ideogram Free for AI image generation. ChatGPT Free and Claude Free for writing and content creation. LanguageTool and Hemingway for grammar and readability. CapCut Free for video editing and captions. Adobe Podcast Enhance for audio cleanup. Notion Free for project management. Total cost, $0. What this replaces, easily $400 to $600 a month in subscriptions. Paid tools make sense when the time saved is worth more than the cost. If Grammarly Premium saves you 30 minutes a week and your time is worth $50 an hour, the $30 a month is worth it. If you're editing video every day professionally, Descript's time savings probably justify $24 a month. The framework is, what does this tool save in time, and what is that time worth to you? If the math works, pay. If it doesn't, use the free alternative. Comment how much you're currently spending per month on software subscriptions. I want to see the real number. Next video, I'm building an AI-powered content system that runs on autopilot. The exact workflow for repurposing one piece of content into 10 different formats using only free tools. Subscribe to ToolStack. The best AI users learn faster,